Yo, yo, welcome in, welcome in. Let's see who is here today. We got AJ in the building. Welcome in, AJ. Good morning. Cyper, what's up, what's up? All right, so let's see what we got here for New York session. I had a beautiful trade here in London session that I'll go over right after the top down, but let's see what we might be able to get here for NY. So let's look at the daily here. Daily. I mean, it is so clear here where the daily wants to go right now, and that is up. We closed support, we closed above the resistance too. This daily came down with a small top wick, gave this daily a pack runner, and then now we're pulling back and trying to come up here, break the highs, and potentially continue up. That's what it looks like right now on the daily. So based off that, I'm going to be bullish here on the day. 4 hour is a little different here. We were bullish when we got this support, right? Beautiful support here in London session, which was the reason why I took my trade too, right? Very nice direction here. Daily 4 hour aligning. But now the 4 hour closed with a small top wick as well as below this resistance slash support here. So we might actually see some sort of move down on the 4 hour, maybe even back down to the support here. So we might come back down on top of this 4 hour support. So be aware of that now. Daily time frame, or not daily, 1 hour time frame, we're still looking good to come up here. I think as long as we keep above this 4 hour support, this 1 hour support as well, I'm gonna be bullish here, right? So if we can come down, create a support on the 1 hour, 30 minute, I think that's going to be one of the best things we can see here today as well, which is what we've been looking for the past 2 weeks, just the support buys. If we go down to the 30-minute, yeah, this support stays consistent on all the time frames, the 1 hour, 4 hour. So this is a major support here that we would like to see a support getting formed as well to continue up. So I think here on the 30-minute, we're creeping in now. 10 minutes for the closure as well. I think if we close above this support and the next 30 gives us a green support candle, that will be our opportunity there. Either at 9 a.m., 9:30, it's going to be nice. 15 as well, same supports. 15 support, I'm going to have to wait until 9 a.m. as well. I'm not going to take any 15 support here anytime soon. So yeah, it seems like we're going to have to wait at least a good 40 minutes for my setup to get formed out here. And yeah, Cypher, welcome in. What you got anything to say? Anything to add?
Yeah, bro, I have exactly the same plan, bro. So support from 06, 05, take a buy. Maybe we can get the support at 9 a.m. or 9:30, and 9:30 would be the best. And if not, we just wait for pretty much closure above the range. I'd be down to take a breakout on to the upside.
Yeah.
With a fresh new support and resistance and everything.
Yeah.
Sells, I would not touch sells
anytime
bro.
soon.
Anytime soon, bro. Nah.
Sells are not looking good. If
yeah,
we close below, it's overextended.
Yep.
So we gotta wait for a pullback anyway, which is gonna be the move that we're gonna expect to come up. So another thing as well, I'm gonna walk you guys through the trade that I took here on London session 2 and explain it. So it was based off this support here that we got formed on the 30, right? So the 4 hour was bullish, the daily was bullish. So all I was waiting for is this pullback support, right? So we got the support here. Next candle gives us a little top wick, and then we come down, give us a nice bottom wick. I put my buy stop here. I get activated, and then this candle here doesn't really do any movement. So the next candle comes, gives us a new bottom wick. And let me show you here. This was gonna be, so the stops under the current candle, right? And then this 30-minute comes down, gives us a bottom wick, breaks the highs and everything. And we shoot up here and smack my TP, which I had right here at this resistance. And if you also take a look at the 1 hour, 1 hour looked good as well. So when you see higher time frames aligning, you know, like this is a very good opportunity. You see the 1 hour creating support. The 4 hour had, you know, a steep bottom wick. The daily was looking bullish. 30-minute created support. You know, all of these things aligning towards the same direction, and you get your setup. That's like such a good trade to take, that you just know that this one is most likely going to be a winner here. So that's why I sized up and took this one. Very nice. And now we're waiting for a very similar trade to what I took here in London. A pullback and support. And I'm taking that every time of the day. If I would have lost this one and we got one here in New York, I would take it just again. I would take it over and over again. Because I know that that setup right there is a very profitable one.
Yep. Yeah, it's around 90% win rate on that one. So 100% always gonna take those kind of setups.
Yeah.
Every time.
Like always, like you see it over and over and over happening so many times that it's like a no-brainer when you see that.
Yeah.
Like there's no doubt in my mind when I see a setup like that I go for it. And those are the type of setups that you want to take, you know what I mean? You don't want to take these setups, it's like, do I take this? There's like a resistance right here, I don't really know, blah, 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 blah. Those are the setups you want to stay out of, right? Because when you're starting to doubt, then you better stay out, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, this is gonna be nice here. 30-minute. I would like it to close near this support here, and then we gotta wait another 30 minutes for that support to get formed.
Yeah, we have some news coming out now on unemployment claims in 5 minutes.
Oh
so
yes, we do. We got.
gotta have that in mind?
Unemployment claims here. We got unemployment claims and some orange folders which can bring in some volume. So maybe the support might not get formed down here because the volume potentially will take us outside of this range, but you never know. Either we come up now with the news and we never see our support, but we might get the breakout, which I'm also happy to take here, right? Buys above.
Yep.
So, buys at support, buys above are fine for me. Any of these two supports. This support here is good. Realistic goal to see a support get formed here. If not, another support down here is also not out of the picture. So, let's see.
Yeah, both daily and 4 hour looks great for potential buys. So any buy pretty much coming up I wanna execute on right now. And also now we're pretty much at all-time high. We're so close to breaking all-time high again and just keep rallying up. So yeah, there's opportunities today.
And here's the thing, you know what I mean? Like, the reason why back in the day when we hit all-time highs we were so unprofitable is because we didn't, you know, follow this trend of gold just being, you know, rallying.
Exactly. Yeah, so pretty much the only onion trades I've been taking that has ended up in losses is the onions that I have been taking against the overall trend.
Exactly.
Because so that's also something to have in mind. If you're gonna take, like, especially the onions, make sure it's with the trend. Otherwise it's pretty much a 50-50, I would say.
Yeah, and another thing too is that it makes sense for people to want to sell at the high, right? Because it's you're at the top, how further can it go? You really don't think it will continue up as much, but that's where it gets you, you know what I mean? Like, you will see a sell, you want gold to come down, but gold just continues going up with bad price action, and it frustrates you when you blow accounts, blah blah blah. So that's like why all-time highs, it gets a lot of people, you know what I mean? It gets their accounts, it gets their money.
Yeah.
So you gotta be very cautious in all-time highs, but you also gotta know how to, you know, use it to your advantage as well. Because before it was our enemy and now it's our friend, you know what I mean? Like, now we're using it to make a lot of money, but before we were losing a lot of money in all-time highs. So
yeah, we figured out a way how to move around it.
Exactly. So you gotta, you know, you gotta acclimate to your surroundings. So
yeah,
if gold want to be all-time highs, we change up how we look at the markets, you know.
Yeah.
So
now we have had like 1.5-2 years on all-time highest, pushing. So now we have pretty much had time to adapt and everything. So it's all-time high is pretty much another day in the markets right now.
I mean, majority of our trading journey were gold being in all-time highs. Like, I started in 2023 of April, and you know what I mean, we were already ranging up here at all-time highs, and then the rest is just breakout, you know, up. So our whole career almost in trading has just experiencing these all-time highs over and over again.
Yeah. I don't exactly remember when I started to trade. I think it was April 22. Yeah, I think. No, 23. It's about 3 years ago now.
Yeah.
This April is 3 years ago. So yeah, April 23. But so I started when the price was down at like 1800 something, and now we're pushing like 5K. It's crazy. Crazy. So yeah, most of the time we've been trading, it's just been pushing all-time highs.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's I think it's great. It's great.
But it's honestly crazy how much gold has moved up. Because if you look back in the day, gold moved regularly. You know what I mean? Up and down. And then out of nowhere, right when we start trading, gold is like, let me just move so weird that you would never expect it, and it just moves up. Like, this is not a healthy, you know what I mean, movement up. You would want to see some ranging and some down. Like, this monthly candle looks outrageous.
Yeah. Every time you think gold is gonna take a breather and pull back a little bit, bro, it's just keep going up. And also the same thing with daily bottom wicks and everything. You think it's gonna come down for 4-hour bottom wicks or daily bottom wicks, weekly bottom wicks, and it never happens, bro. It just pushes up. You know, you can't even you know, wait for sales anymore. Just sales gotta make 100% sense before you take it, because
And we got news here in 30 seconds.
I think it's fun. Because people always tell me these are the most ridiculous and hard markets to learn how to trade. So if you learn how to trade now, you will always be good at trading in the future, because this is the hardest market conditions to trade in.
And don't expect it to get easier though. I don't think, like, it can come back to you know, the easier market conditions, but don't expect it to happen, because it could get harder. But yeah, news is out. We got a little volume spike, nothing crazy though.
Now let's see what happens.
But I like this closure here. This 30-minute close perfectly. Tap the support, reject it. Now this one, what I would like to see from it is we break the previous lows, and then we end up closing like bullish here, and then we take the buys. That's gonna be the best.
We're gonna see a push soon. We're still pending, so let's wait for the news to come out, see what the number's gonna be. Maybe
green numbers on the orange folders here.
Yeah. So
let's see. Unemployment claims. What are we gonna get?
Might see a push. I hope we just create some sort of a support so we can just take buys. That's gonna be pretty much it, and then take buys, hit profit, and then boom, out.
This is very nice. I like how we broke the lows now.
Yeah.
Now here's the thing. I want to see us range like this and then close at the last minute, like not doji, but you know, big rejection wick and then a support here, but not like a huge support. I want to see the support being low. So yeah, pending, still no results out. Volume is still doing this thing. Refresh, still nothing. But yeah, I like this. The rejection wick is gonna be nice. If we do not reject, we can just wait for it to come more down and then buy down here. You know what I mean?
Green numbers.
There we go, green numbers. Alright, so yeah, that should mean gold should come down here for the news, which it's doing. And now we just wait. And that's the perfect result. Like, because if we got red numbers and gold came up, our buy of support, you know, would be out of the picture now. So I like how we're not pushing up yet. I want it to come down. Yeah,
so now if we come back up, we create a new support candle, so like an onion with a huge rejection wick to the downside. That's the perfect onion in my eyes.
It's gonna be very nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. And it's gonna be the last, you know, hour, maybe even 30 minutes of the 4 hour where we wanna pull back. And the dailies, oh, it's looking good, yeah. I'm excited. I just don't want gold to move up before, because then that kind of ruins the buy stop support. If it does, we'll have to wait for the breakout, which is fine.
Yeah.
But the best setup we can get here today would be this candle right now, or the next candle closing support. That's going to be the best opportunity we can get today. Did anyone take any trades today? Anyone in the chat took a trade, W loss?
Yeah, I think maybe most people that trade London took the same trade as you, I believe.
I hope so. Because it was a very good trade, but you never know. They might not.
No. Han är en burk. Can you speak a little bit?
Me? Hello.
Yeah.
What's up? Something wrong with the volume?
Nah, it sounds like you're in a mixer, bro.
A mixer?
Yeah. Yeah, there's something wrong with your mic.
Like right in the stream or in Discord?
Yeah, in the stream, not in Discord though.
Okay, let me figure that out real quick.
It sounds like you're boiling water, bro.
Properties. Is this better? Is this better?
Yeah, it's better, but
how about this
now
one?
it's better.
This one's good, right? This should be good.
Yeah, now it's great. It's
okay, perfect. That's what I like to see.
Nice. Yeah, if we push down... if we push down to 88 and create a support down there, I'm also down to take buys from there. We are moving, bro. Just moving. Huh. I'm gonna create a Minecraft server in the future. We can maybe stream some Minecraft.
No, Minecraft stream.
Yeah, imagine we stream trading, and when we're waiting for our setups, we stream Minecraft, and the people who like Minecraft they subscribe because we stream Minecraft, and then they figure out about trading, and so they subscribe because of Minecraft, and then they start trading because we trade on the side.
I don't know, Minecraft isn't really like the type of game I would play that much. I prefer more like action game.
Yeah, I like Minecraft. I don't play it so much nowadays, but that's because it's hard to set up a server and everything. But now I figured out a way, so it's way more fun to play with friends and everything. But when it comes to people actually watching the game, so there's so many people just like to watch Minecraft, So for some reason, I don't know why, bro. It's been out for like 14 years and people still like to watch it. But it's way more fun to watch it than actually playing it. Especially when people, do fun things. Like modding and everything.
Well, we're bleeding off here, so I believe now if we do not pull back, buy self-support down here is not looking bad either.
Yeah. Yeah, because now we're also trying to fill the wicks on the 4-hour. We're coming down to the 4-hour supports and everything, so that might be actually way better also. I'm down for any buys right now, pretty much. I know we might be looking like we're going down on the 4-hour and everything, but you gotta keep in mind. Look at the daily, bro.
Yeah, daily looks good to come up. I'm just gonna wait here.
Yeah, same. Let's see. I mean, you are already up 1200, bro, for the day, so yeah. You're good anyways. You can just not take any more trades and you'll be fine for the week, pretty much.
I've made 5K this month on the dashboard.
But you're up like 3,600 this week, right? 3.6.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah.
24 plus 12 is 36. That's crazy, bro.
So a little nice move. There's 2 good trades this week as well. That's it.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. You know, only 2 trades and you pull in like a full monthly income, bro. That's crazy. 2 good trades.
And now I can take out 2K. And there you go. Yeah, that's like a monthly income right there.
Yep. That's crazy.
We're gonna be aiming for more than that. You feel me?
Yeah, 100%.
This is just the beginning. Some easy money.
Yeah, we're gonna in the future we're gonna pull numbers, bro. We're gonna pull numbers. Gonna take 10K a week in the future, 100%. 10K payout's gonna be like the normal thing for us in the future. We just need to scale up. That's pretty much it. If you just scale up, it becomes way more easy to just build, bro.
Yeah, that's the thing. You take a payout and then you use that payout to make even more money.
Yeah.
But yeah, support down here is gonna be way better too.
Yeah.
It's gonna be way more range as well.
Yeah, and also that's gonna be at 9:30. If this candle just pushes down and the next 30 closes like onion down there, that's gonna close at 9:30 and we're gonna have a lot of volume coming in. That might be the trade of the week.
What a bleeder.
Yeah.
What are you planning? Support?
Yeah, support and then the buys. But we could also just see gold bleed the whole day, which is fine as well.
True, clean range.
Because this is the thing with all-time highs, right? You'll see crazy moves to the upside, but eventually you're also gonna see a crazy move to the downside. So
yeah, even crazier to the downside.
Yeah, so if you see something like this, right, and you never get your setup, just let it run. Just let it go down because you don't want to try and predict the bottom, but you don't want to, get in that. Just stay out.
Yep.
Let's try and take a look at the dashboard real quick. See if I can take out the payout yet. Nope. Nothing yet. Yeah. So 9:30 support down here. I think it's gonna be way better than this 9 a.m. support up here.
Yep.
It's gonna be a clean move.
Yeah, if I could, I would have executed on that trade with more contracts, but I don't think. I can only take 2 contracts right now, I believe.
What's your balance?
1K, because I lost a trade yesterday for some stupid reason. So.
Yeah, probably 2 is your max.
Yeah, but I mean, if we get like 400 pips, 2 contracts is more than enough, bro. Oh, dang, what? Oh, let's get it started.
Wow, we're coming down a lot here. What a crazy move. Alright, let's see if gold here respects the support. If not, we might actually just see a bleeder for the rest of the day. Because look, we're in this 4-hour range, right? And the area that we're in right now on the 4-hour is the last support before we get below that crazy clean range, you know?
Yep.
So if we end up closing below this support, we might actually see gold pull back a little bit, which would be nice. But let's see. If we hold at this support, we can see a nice buy coming back up.
Just get it started. Ahmad,
This
the support will look 15 or 30. Yeah, we're gonna look for the support on the 30. Because that's also gonna be the 930 candle. You know, pushing, give us some volume so we can take advantage of the big volume time. So yeah, 30 is gonna be the best confirmation. So and also 15. Yeah, maybe 15. Depends. It depends. If 30 doesn't want to close support, we can take we can wait for the 15 to close at 9:45, and that's a candle I can execute on. A little bit less risk though on the table if the 15 closes
Yeah.
instead of the 30. But
the
so,
best support here would be on the 30 because that's
Yeah.
930. That like this big bearish movement as well. I think we would need a 30-minute to show signs that we want to come back up. The 15-minute is, it could be, you could get an early entry and you might get in the move if it actually happens. But it's more risky, right? Because this big move down, you don't really want to try and catch it on the 15. You would way rather want to wait for the 30 to confirm the reversal, you know?
Yeah.
So the 15 is, I mean, if I had like an account that was like, you know, close to passing or something, and I only needed a little bit, I would take it on the 15. But I think if you want to get a better opportunity here today, you should take it on the 30.
Yeah.
But then you have to be fine with it going. Like if you see the 15 support, you should be fine with the 30 flying up to the moon if anything.
Yeah, so for me, the only 15 candle I'm gonna execute on is 9:45 because that's in the middle of the 9:30 volume, you know. So, but less risk though on the table. But best support is gonna be on the 30.
Mm-hmm.
That will line up a little bit better with pretty much everything. Ahmad is a new viewer, right?
Yeah.
I don't think we have seen him before.
Never seen him before. Welcome in,
To
brother.
the stream.
Welcome in. If you got any questions about the strategy or anything, let us know.
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe. Join our Discord. Like the video, you know. You're so welcome to join our community and grow with us. Send in any question you have. Join the Discord. Send in anything to the Discord if you want, so we can take a look at it. We will grow together. This is just the beginning, brother.
Yeah,
Just the beginning.
Just started. So yeah, let's wait here and see what we can get. So what a move down we had here today.
Yeah.
Crazy. Like, let's see how many pips this is. Like 400 pips from the start of, you know, pre-NY. Bam. And then we started kicking up volume during NY open.
Yeah. Imagine we get a support down here, we get activated with like 2 contracts or something, and then we just push up all the 400 pips. That's gonna be like 8k, bro.
Yeah.
That's a great ending for the week.
But I think realistically, that's not gonna be something you're gonna hold all the way there, unless you're in with a very low contract.
Yeah, so if I go in with 2 contracts, I'm gonna close partials around 50 or 100 pips up, and then maybe let the rest run. So realistically, if I were going to hold the whole range, I would make 4K, but most likely I'm gonna close off way earlier than that. So I only need a little bit. I don't have to hit the home run.
Yeah, let's see here. I mean, I'm very down to give it a shot on the 15-minute time frame on the combines here.
Yeah, I mean, if it looks great.
So the thing is the combines for me, I'm down to take these less you know, these little bit more risky trades on the combine compared to the XFAs. The XFA I keep more, you know, just for the best setup. So if we get this 15, you know, closing good, I might take it on the combine here.
Ahmad joined.
Let's go.
We'll be able to find our Discord link in the description also, if you want to join our Discord.
Does the one in the description work?
I have no idea, bro. If it doesn't work, you can just... Ed will send the link in the...
I can put the link in the chat.
In the chat.
Alright, it works, but perfect.
Perfect.
But yeah, best thing right now is this 15 closes bearish, and then the next 30-minute closes bullish, and that's where we get that support buy.
Yep. Gotta stay patient. Take what we get and leave what we don't get.
Just gotta wait.
Yeah.
Two minutes here, 2 minutes. As long as we close above this support line, it's looking very, very good for the 9:30 trade here.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see a better buy opportunity than the 30-minute giving us a support here. 4-hour tap target. You know, so everything is lining up here as well today.
Yep.
We just gotta wait.
Oh yeah, right. You have the combine also. You gotta trade them.
Yeah.
I might actually have to go buy a combine actually. I'm gonna do that real quick before the closure.
Get a combine ready. Get some more XFAs. I like to buy the no activation fee ones. Those are the ones that I get.
Yeah. Yeah, I might have to do that also because then I have yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's say start a combine, no activation fee, $89. Select boom boom and pay. And no promo code works, right?
I don't know.
I've tried so many different.
I don't know. For me, I don't care for the promo codes at this point.
Nah,
I
same.
just buy them.
And boom, I have now another combine activated. Let's see if we can get this closure.
Let's go.
Boom, combine. So yeah, if we get this 15 closure, I'm a do the combine.
I don't think we will get it though. We have 20
Nah,
seconds.
but we have another 15 coming up also. There's gonna be 9:15. We
Yeah.
might get something, but yeah. So I mean, we only need 31 pips, and that's pretty much not even. I mean, if we look at this candle, the top wick on this candle is 46 pips, so we don't even have to, you know, fill this whole wick to make half the combine.
Yeah, I mean the ranges are massive right now.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's so crazy.
So now we wait and see here. We get the closure above and get the support here. It's gonna be the best.
Alright, we are moving down, and somehow we have a lot of volume right now.
That's good. It's the, you know, we're 30 minutes away from the NYC.
Yeah.
Now that, I think is gonna be crazy when it comes out, because if we have this much volume right now, just wait for 9:30. That's gonna bring out some crazy volume there.
Yep.
Moving down right now. Yeah, just gotta wait here. Slow, slow, slow. Slow and steady. But I like how we're getting volume in here. It's very nice because look at this. It's been like 2 minutes and we've already moved. We created a 60 pip bottom wick and we have a 20 pip top wick. So very nice beginning.
Yeah, it's great. It's great.
Okay, we're coming up now. Let's see if gold can chill out a little bit and not make the move already. Let's see if it can wait for us here.
Boom. That's half the combine passed right there.
You took it.
Yep. Yeah, I took a impulsive fade because we came down. We came up, created a great top wick. The range were just amazingly big, and we came down, created this huge bottom wick. We reacted. We never tapped the low. Came up, rebroke the highs. I only needed 31 pips, and boom, done. So yeah, that's that combine. Lock it out. So now I only need one more day to pass that combine. That's how quickly you can do that. Just like that, boom. 1500. Half the combine passed. And if I pass this one tomorrow, I can also buy another one, bro. Because I don't have to pay the activation fee and everything. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
No, I had that one coming, bro. I just saw it coming, bro. I couldn't resist.
I'm gonna be waiting here for the closure.
Yeah. Yeah, closure makes way more sense. So that was a very risky trade. Because we just tapped it and then it went straight back down to break even. But so always when I take these combine trades trying to pass, when I see a potential big move, when I try to pass my combines, I always trade technicals, not setups. Most of the time technicals. So this was a technical trade, not a setup really. So and also when I get activated and I come up over 50%. So let's say we come up 16 pips. That's when I go break even, because if it just goes down, I don't want to risk the account because it's not really a setup. So I go break even when we pass 50% of the range up to TP, and then I just let it rip. If it taps TP, it taps TP. If it taps break even, then I wait for another good setup or technical trade and everything. So
yeah, for me, I like taking riskier trades on the combine, but I still wait for the
yeah, you don't
setups.
take that kind of risky trades though.
Yeah.
Like I just did. I like to take these trades. It's perfect. I mean, we used I'ma see. So I went in at 93.9. 93.9 was my entry. 93.9, boom, and we just used up 42 pips in 2 seconds. So yeah, perfect. But now if this candle can just hover like this for the rest of this 30 minutes and close exactly like this, that it's a perfect setup, bro. Perfect setup.
Yeah, that's gonna be the setup I'm gonna wait for here.
Yeah. So W's in chat or something. I don't know.
WWW.
That's how you do it. I didn't want to tell you about it because I didn't want to take you away from your plan, you know. Make
Nah, I wouldn't change if you told me.
No.
I never break the plan.
Nah, I know.
Not anymore, at least. I used to.
That's exactly why you are up pretty much like 4K this week, bro. Because you don't break your plan.
Yep.
And you don't slip up. I mean, everybody can slip up sometimes, but For me, it has been I've most of the time I'm just being unfortunate with like getting tapped in by one pip or something, or taking trades on my combat or my XFAs that I actually just was gonna take with my practice, or just slip ups like that, bro. It's rookie mistakes that shouldn't happen, bro. But it's my fault. I don't really pay so much attention to what I'm doing sometimes. I just do shit and then turns out bad. But it's fine. It's fine. It's just a few $100. You lose.
Yeah, I mean, like every account is not that expensive either. So
No. Especially now with the no activation fee and everything, it's just $110, and that's pretty much it. If you lose, you lose $110. If you win, you can take a payout of, infinite amount of money. So it's not a big deal, especially when you start taking payouts and you're not using your own money anymore. It becomes so much easier to make mistakes and don't care about it anymore. So I don't really care about making mistakes anymore. It's easier to just shit, I made a mistake. Well, anyway, keep going.
yeah.
So I lost 4 of my XFAs this month because it has been such a bad month for me, start of the year, and I don't care. I can make it right back. Just one payout and I'll be back.
All right, we're moving up here. Holy. Okay. Let's see. Can we come down a little bit? I think there's 15 minute here, 9:15. If we pull back a little bit, it's gonna be a nice buy setup here.
Yeah.
But I will need it to pull back a little bit. Moving up a little bit too much.
Yeah, either we pull back a little bit or we come up and close above 06. That would be nice. So for me, it's those two. But if we close above 06, I want to see the next candle close like a celery or something for us to take it at 9:30.
Yeah, I mean a celery closure here on the 15 and the 30-minute closing support would, to be honest, would be way better too.
Yeah. At 9:30, everything. Always 9:30, 9:30, 9.
Always
9:30.
remember the time, 9:30.
Yeah. If you don't know about 9:30, write it down now.
Get to know.
That's the cheat code, bro. It's a cheat code. If you want to know more, buy my free course at www.cyper I'm not gonna scam you.com.
Free cookbook.
Yeah.
How to trade.
58. What? Hey, yo! I'm too far down. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where we have to be. Right here. Ta-da ta-da ta-dum, ta-da ta-da ta-dum, ta-da ta-da ta-dum, ta-da ta-da ta.
Y es mi señora Jamaica. Είδα και señora Jamaica ήρθε
Okay, this 15-minute I'm not gonna touch here. It's too high up right now.
Yeah,
I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle and then see if we can get like a celery here on the 15. If not, I'm happy we're not taking anything here on New York because I've already had a nice trade in London session.
yeah.
I'm just waiting to be able to take out the money and then relax.
Είχα την ψυχολογία, δηλαδή βλέπεις πώς ζουν τα φίλους μαζί. 1000 φορές να ξέρεις κάποιο.
Still waiting for it to be eligible. I think I have to wait till tomorrow now. It might have changed. I don't know. Before it's like you make the money, that trade, and you can take it out the day after.
Yeah, I only need one more good trade to take a payout also, but that's gonna be a small payout, so I might not take the payout. I might just, you know.
So you need one more profitable day?
Yeah, one more 150 and I can take a payout, but if I only make 150, it's gonna be a small payout, so
How
I
much
might
would it be?
just... it will be around $600, so it's not much at all, bro. So I might just keep scaling the account up a little bit. So I can maybe take a bigger payout.
Maybe scale it up and then CPI, take the payout, and then full margin.
Yeah,
the account.
yeah, that might be a diamonds. Nah, that might be a good thing. But the thing is, I want to take the payouts so I can pass 5 accounts until CPI.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, but $600 is enough to pass another.
That's like 350Ks with no activation fee.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing. So now I am halfway through this new account. So if I pass this and then I can afford another non-activation fee account, I can pass that one, and then I have only 2 more accounts to pass. And if I take out a payout around $600, it's gonna be enough to pass the other 2 also. So
Yeah.
so I might I might take a small payout just to have all the accounts back and build them up for CPI. Maybe take build them up to 2K every single account. Take a 5K payout at CPI day and then gamble it.
Yeah. So an very important thing right here is the 15-minute close with no top wick. So even if we had a good closure here, we would not take anything. The 15 close with no top wick. So now we just gotta wait and see here. I mean, even if we close support on the 30, we might be too overextended already. So
yeah, we have to pull back down a little bit, or maybe close above 06.
Yeah.
That's pretty much my view on it. Let's see what happens.
Αλλά μέχρι πρόσφατα ήταν το behind και έκανε αυτούς τους μαύρους να πούνε τους παιχνισμούς. Κι άλλο αυτό, μέχρι το 90, όντως η φυγή. Τον εγώ διαχωρισμό αυτό μεταξύ λευκών και μαύρων, οι λευκοί έκαναν τον μαύρο με behind που έλεγα το ακόμα προσωπικό. Και είχαμε στάσει σαν δεύτερο πληθυσμό του μαύρους, στους οποίους έτσι ακόμα να κάνει τα κόμματα συνέντευξη που είχαν φτιάξει, ήταν οι τύχοι λεπτά και δεν μπορούσε να βγεις να πας αυτή η κοινωνία, αυτή η νότητα ανοιχτής χαρακτήρας. Αλλά για να πάρεις σημαίνει που είναι συστηματική. Γιατί δεν πατάει τώρα το 90, εντάξει ακόμα δεν μπορεί να προσπαθήσει. Πίσω υπάρχει ένα σύνολο. Έτσι είναι βάση με τις τοπικές κοινωνίες που όλα αυτά και παράλληλα επένδυση στο δεν είναι λίγο. Ναι, δεν είναι κάτι που όλα δεν είναι τα. Δεν είναι σωστό να μην λέμε δεν τον υπάρχει γενικότερα η έννοια του σωστού και του λάθους. Έχει να κάνει το άτομο. Αυτό το πράγμα δεν είναι. Αν φορές να κάνεις μια και να έχεις
Yeah, I mean, gold, I don't see, like, if we stay up here, there won't be anything for 930. So let's see if gold will give us anything. If not, I think I'll call it there and then come back tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow it's Friday.
Yep.
Last day of the week. I'm pretty much break even this week because of the small
Let's see if the weekly closes above.
that back tomorrow or yesterday.
I want to pull back, then we're getting here on the 4 hour too. 4 hours pulling back. Nothing here we could take, so gotta wait.
Θα το βλέπω που θα μείνει στο λάθος. Και να είναι γανιστικά. Απλά από τα ίδια στις πάνω σίγουρα. Αυτό το σίγουρα είναι αυτό και από φόβο. Αυτή τη στιγμή πάνω από φόβο πάνω στο δεν είναι δηλητηρίαση. Να τιμάς πως δεν μπορείς να αυτή η ομιλάς αυτό πες πάνω σου. Είναι πάνω να μαζί ήσουν οργανάς και στο επίπεδο μετά. Άμα δεν θα αυτό. Η μία λέω και έτσι. Γι' αυτό για να μην είσαι οργανός. Κάπου φορεί να τρέχεις με κάποια πάτια στα κατάδια και να φοβάται. Κάντε και να subscribe στο κανάλι. Να τα πούμε στο
Yeah, we're pushing here. But as we expected, gold rejected from the support. Just no setups here. And it is sometimes like this, you know what I mean? You wait for the setup, you don't get it. Even though the price action that you expected happens. But you just gotta, you know, take it as a W that you predicted that price would come down here and reject. So maybe you didn't make money today, but at least you're right on the direction.
Yeah. And being able to see exactly what price is gonna do is a big W when it comes to when you have a playbook and everything. You see what's gonna happen when it happens, and also when it lines up with the playbook, and then you get a setup.
Exactly.
It's perfect. It's perfect. It's so nice to actually have a setup and also being able to see what price is going to do in the future, and be able to line it up with the playbook and everything. It makes trading so much easier. So then the only thing you have to do when you get to that point is just stay away, bro, until the playbook shows something good.
So even if you're like so confident in that gold is going to come down to this support and it's going to reject, no matter how bad you want to get in, because you're so confident in that, you have to wait for the setup.
Πάρε το άλλο. Πάρε το άλλο. Ναι. Μην πάρεις αυτό.
To make sure that, you know, because if you don't wait for the setup and you just enter randomly, you don't really have a stop loss that's going to make sense. You don't have a take profit that's going to make sense. You know what I mean? So that's why we wait for the candles to close and give us the actual entry that we want, because if we don't get that, we can easily get tapped in and get tapped out. And you're going to feel pretty bad if you take a trade like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, 7 minutes left. I do believe we won't get a available trade here, so
I'm down to take a trade if we close above 06, but that's gonna be a smaller risk trade, maybe one contract instead of.
I'm not gonna take that.
Two.
Two overextended there. I would have to wait for something else to get formed at that point.
Come on, come on, come on. Oop.
Yeah, Goldie. It was a nice session, but no trades here. Five minutes left and we are pushing up here. Let's see. Let's get this rug ready and loaded. Yeah, man, 3 minutes left. We're gonna probably close. It's very, very overextended. Like, for me, this support here is too big, right? I wouldn't take a trade on a candle that's this big of a support. The ideal support that we were looking for is maybe one that would close like right around here with a low wick. But this is too big. Like, now it's bigger than the previous candle, which was also huge. Like, we moved almost 200 pips on this candle already. So I think what it's doing is we're pulling back here and we're probably going to close above this support. Maybe range a bit throughout the day and then come back tomorrow and see if we get some sort of breakout here in the 4-hour time frame. But I don't think anything here for me. I don't see anything good as of right now. So yeah, I think 1 minute left here for the 30 to close. Let's call it a stream here. And we'll be back tomorrow. Let's not be waiting here for nothing today. So let's call it and we'll be back tomorrow and ready again. So let's play the outro music.
Let's go. Peace, peace, peace.
Let's go. Peace, peace.